I just spotted this Rossi Model 68 and 38 caliber in my local store. By the way, this store who sold me for years is going to close for good in December, so I'm trying to get good stuff. So I'm gonna try this one. So this is a piece from my early life. Around 10 years old, we used to be introduced to guns in a farm or a compound, a family, and we would shoot these Rossis. These are made in Brazil, but these were imported by Garcia Sporting Goods in Washington, D.C. So, first time shooting this thing, I'm gonna shoot one hand only because I wanted to give you a no on this. All right, so let's go. Let's see how it goes. 5 shot. It didn't aim much. I just wanted to have the first impressions on this. Yeah, not too bad. The guy is dead. Thank you for watching.